Hello everyone, my name is Confident and it's great to have you back. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Statbox widget. I'm really excited to show you this widget because it's our first compound widget. So in this video, I'll show you some ways in which you can configure it and some sample use cases for this widget. So for us to get started, I am going to head over to the widget section and let's drag in a new Statbox widget into the canvas. And here we have a Statbox widget on the canvas. So like I mentioned earlier, this is a compound widget. And what this means is that it has a bunch of already customized widgets within it. So right here we have an icon widget, and here we have a couple of text widgets, and they're already customized and laid out in a beautiful way to display statistical information. So to show you how to customize this, I'm just going to bring in a new Statbox widget. So let's paste this right here. And for the first text here, we can update this to say something like page revenue. All right. For the second text, we can display the revenue that is being generated per page. And for the subtext, we can edit this to say this is 2% less than last month. And because this is a decline, we can go into edit the text color. So right here we have the text color, and we can go into style this a bit more, but let's just, for the sake of this demo, set this to red, and we have a red text there. And because this is a decline, we can also display that kind of information using the icon button we have here. So for the icon button, so let's update the icon to down. All right. And we can set the style to danger. And here we have a red icon indicating that there's a decrease in page revenue. So taking a look at the application, you see that we have, at a glance, a good idea of how things are going by using the Statbox widget. So the Statbox widget can be used to easily highlight and display statistical information. All right, so this has been the Statbox widget. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.